What's going on, YouTube? So what I'm holding here in my hand is a rig that I came up with this morning, with the use of the gripper mount. And here you can see my microphone wire taped here for now. It's kind of like a prototype kind of design. So here's what I'm thinking about using moving forward for my helmet cam setup. So what this enables me to do is transfer this to any helmet that I have, and my microphone goes inside the helmet. And I know it's kind of janky looking, but I'll show you guys how it looks like in a second. Here's the front view. And I'll show you guys some clips later on today when I go out riding to test this setup out. But it is basically my idea of why I bought the gripper mount. So it's easy for me to use any other helmets that I have, and I'm not stuck with just one helmet in terms of vlogging. And also, if you are traveling, you can just take this thing with you and use it. If you're gonna be riding overseas or whatever, you can just take this with you and clip it to any helmet that you're using. And I'll still have my my microphone set up here. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. I know it doesn't look like anything right now, but let me show you guys how it looks like mounted to the helmet. So I have it mounted on the helmet now. As you can see here, the microphone goes inside the helmet. You can angle it any way you want, and it's a posable mic, so it stays where you point it at, and it's clipped on the chin bar. I mean, I can make this more elegant. I can just make use a black tape, but right now I'm just testing this out. I don't know how it will work out yet until I test it out later today, so we'll find out. And so far it's pretty stable, so it's not going anywhere. Yeah, so let's go out for a ride and see how it looks and how it sounds. I think it should be the same, but I just wanted to see if it shakes or the microphone gets annoying because it's just held up at this point right here. So we'll find out. So we're just going around here, around the neighborhood, just to test out the my new GoPro mount vlogging setup. As you can see, it's all like a all-in-one type deal, so I can basically clip it to any helmet that I have. Right now I'm using the Bell helmet, which is just nice for a change, because I've always been used to wearing the Icon and I don't really like it anymore. So it's nice to have a different helmet for vlogging. I don't really vlog all the time. That's why I kind of want to change helmets from time to time. So, and I want to, just want to bring my vlogging setup with me when I go somewhere and not have to bring a specific helmet. So right now, I think this setup solves that problem. And I don't think I've ever seen this kind of setup anywhere before. So it's kind of nice that it came to me like automatically when I woke up this morning, and it's like, hey, I can just because of the gripper mount that I recently bought. I made a video about it some days ago. Because of that mount, it enables me to have this setup, so that's kind of like a nice thing. Alright, YouTube, I'll close it out right here. It was a nice ride, and I think the gripper mount is working awesome, and it does the job that it's intended. It does more than what I'm talking about here, but for my use, you guys saw that you guys can have a all-in-one kind of rig when it comes to moto vlogs and helmet cam setup with a microphone and stuff like that. And I'll include the link in the description for all the items that are included in this setup. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.